Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make Spam fried rice. For ingredients, let's check down below. For ingredients, we have 3 stalks of green onion, 5 cloves garlic, 1 canned Spam, 3 eggs, 750 grams of cooked rice. It's better if you leave your rice overnight. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, white pepper, and a little bit of MSG. First thing first, I'm gonna chop the green onion. So I'm gonna separate the green part and the white part. The green part is for garnishing, and then the white part, I'm gonna infuse it with oil. White part is done. I'm gonna transfer it through a bowl. Now the green part. Transfer it to another bowl. Next, you want to finely chop the garlic. I'm gonna put it on the side. Next, Spam. You want to cut it into a cube. I'm gonna put the eggs. Put about 3 tablespoons oil in your wok. While it's still cold, I'm gonna put the white part of the green onion and then the garlic, and we're gonna wait until everything becomes fragrant. It usually takes about 4 or 5 minutes. After about like 2-3 minutes, when it starts to get fragrance, I'm gonna put in the Spam. After approximately 5 minutes, we're gonna put it on the side. Next step, put more oil in your wok. Make sure you put the heat on high. And we're gonna wait until it's heating up. When you see reach the smoking point, eggs in. Just cook for about a couple seconds. You're looking about 30-second max. After 30 seconds, rice in. Mix with the egg. After you cook the rice in high heat for about 5 minutes, turn down your heat to medium. Now we're gonna start seasoning. 1/4 tablespoon soy sauce. Two tablespoons oyster sauce. One teaspoon white pepper. Mix it. Spams in. Now at this point, If you want to put a little bit of MSG, you can put it now. Just a touch. And you can mix it. Give it a little taste. Put a little bit of salt. I'm putting the salt at the very end just because Spam, it's so salty. Just make sure to taste it first, then you can add salt if you think it's bland. If you say so, then you can add a little bit of salt. And the very last step, turn off the heat. Green onions in. Mix a little bit. Alright, so this is the final versions. This is the results, the end results. So let's go back on top and we're gonna give it a taste. So let's give it a try. Super nice, super tasty. The reason why I put the salt in the end, because we all know Spam is super salty. So that's why make sure to taste it first before you put the salt by in the end. So you can adjust it. Let's say if you put too much salt in it, you can put a little bit of sugar to balance it. But this one is super good. It's classic, super simple, it's fast to make. Take about what, 10-15 minutes and it's done. And what I like to eat with, it's with chili. Give you a little kick of spicy. It's perfect. If you guys don't like the spicy, forget about chili. Just original like this, it's really good to go. So that's it for today's video. Give it a try. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.